Okay, let's see. We have semicolon, colon, comma. Now, in these examples, it might seem like no commas is never the answer, but as you know, sometimes it is. So I don't mean to make it seem like, oh, it's all the answer is always using a comma, because it's not. It's more just this unit is called crossing out comma phrases, so you're more likely to see commas here. Okay, let's see. So I see a semicolon and a colon. So that's what I'm going to start with. In general, if I see a semicolon, it's an easy one to start with because I can just ask, do we have two sentences? If the answer is yes, we have two sentences, then great. Semicolon is probably the answer. If the answer is no, we don't have two sentences and it's not like a weirdly long list, the answer is cross out the semicolon. So it's a pretty easy question to ask. With commas, it's very hard to say, like, do we need a comma here? Because there's so many reasons to use commas. But with semicolons, there's not a lot of reasons to use them. So it's a good place to start. Let's find out. Nestled within the labyrinthine network of streets that winds through the historic district, the town square is a focal point for locals and tourists alike. Okay, so can we use a semicolon there? Is this a full sentence? Nestled within the network of streets? No, it's not. We could say like it is nestled or the town is nestled, but there's no subject. So we can't have a semicolon and we can't have a colon because a colon needs a full sentence before it. So this is not a full sentence before the colon. We can cross that out. This is a comma phrase, right? This is a pretty typical comma phrase, a modifier. Nestled within the streets, the town square is a focal point. So this is just a in I don't know what I was going with there. It's, introductory comma phrase. A shorter way of writing this would be like nestled in the streets, or maybe within the, yeah. Right, something like that, right? Nestled within the streets, the town square is nice. So that's all we have here.